to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you can launch any web browser or simply the Google application. And now you need to search for Uber Eats promo code. Once you search for it, you will see various websites offering different deals. You need to select a website and you will find a list of promo codes. Simply choose the preferred one. You can simply scroll down and pick the one that suits you the best. Now, you need to copy the promo code provided. Simply tap the copy button. Now you just use the copied code in the Uber Eats app to get your discount. So in this way, you can finally get $30 Uber Eats promo code. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.